is what we're gonna be unpacking today. Super exciting. Bum bum. It says hello. Interesting. Okay, let's take it out. Not sure. Oh, it shows us how to do it. It shows you to pull this out. Oh, look how beautiful. Okay. So exciting. It's like light blue color right here. Okay. Oh, it's white. Look how thin it is.
Wow.
Dark blue in the back. This is what's underneath inside. Everything's packaged really nicely. So I guess this is what it comes with.
What
Okay, so here is the keyboard. So thin.
Wow, that we should say yes, guys.
Okay, we'll open that. We'll just set it up right here for right now. Okay.
Mama, to the bathroom.
This way. Toca, take it out of the package. Open it. Open it.
Open the mouth. Ooh. Silver.
Wow, it's blue.
Ooh.
So slick.
You can't even see the cutouts.
Okay, go put it on the table.
Mama,
And then we have all the cords. And then what is this? Oh, this is the box.
These are the stickers.
Okay, so this is this. I'm guessing this is the computer itself. I'm just gonna set it here. Okay, I'm guessing this is just instructions. Let's see what's inside of it. Oh yeah. Hold on. Okay, it just tells us how to plug things in. It shows you like where the cords need to go, which parts. All right. And then okay, hold on, Angela. Yes, this, and then there's a cord. And then there's more instructions in here.
And I think there's a sticker.
Okay, here's that. And then there is a Apple sticker. That's pretty. I'm guessing it goes on the computer. Okay, just put it by the computer, please. All right, and then there is, that's just the cord box. And I think that's it. Everything else is, that's what it is. But I liked how the mouse came in this little package to protect it from scratching and stuff. I don't think there's anything else in these boxes. Not that I think of. None of them open up, so I think that's it. I'm surprised that it's only a little manual, but it's only how to put the cords into the computer, and that's it. So that's what we're gonna do right now. All right, so this is all the parts that we got. And now I'm just going to open them up. Like I said, it has the instructions with it. So that's what we'll do. We'll put the cords into where they need to go. So I'm just going to take this out. New stuff is always fun to open. And then this part.
А еще надо вот тут. Мама, а банкноты?
And then everything's nicely wrapped. Okay, hold on to it. Okay, and then it has this peeling thing. Ooh, that feels nice.
Wow.
You can shake.
Sounds like they was a salty one.
So beautiful.
Yes. Wow, whoa, whoa, whoa.
Okay. Okay, and then there's one more
Mama, я посую.
right here, Angel. Hold this.
Yeah.
I think it goes around.
Yeah, I don't all the way
Yeah,
around.
right here, yeah.
Don't.
Oh, there it is.
Go ahead. And then the back of the computer. It's awesome to peel those stickers.
Whoa, wow, sticky.
All right, and of course it has the big apple in the back. All right, just to let you know, this is not an ad. This was a gift. So, what are you doing?
Connect this here, and we just gotta press that button.
Ooh.
Interesting.
What is this for?
I think that's a USB to plug, charge your phone.
Oh, that's fancy.
Oh,
My
We have to turn this thing on.
and then keyboard.
Oh, it's all wireless. So the video is awesome. The screen is great size. And I'm watching through my videos now. Anyways, this is how it looks. I'm just done setting it up. I'm going to continue setting it up inside, but all I wanted to show you guys how I opened it up. I hope you guys liked it. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.